Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video and lecture from our class 3 ways to make money online with arbitrage. We have talked about up till this point arbitrage, the general definition of arbitrage, an introduction to physical products arbitrage, how we can do it, how we can leverage different online marketplaces, which are the options that we have, which is the process that we need to go through in order to start selling online and making profits from physical products arbitrage. And now we will go a little bit in a different direction also with physical products arbitrage, but we will use a different type of marketplaces, and we will talk about that in a minute. Let me just change the slide for you. So we will talk about leveraging platforms like Fiverr and Etsy or Storenvy. Now, for those of you who don't know what Fiverr is, it's an online marketplace for freelancers or other product or service designers or merchants that are practically selling their services or products for as low as $5. So everything that you will find out there on Fiverr, products, services, everything starts from only $5. Now on Etsy and on Storenvy.com, there are a lot of sellers and people that are looking for products which are handmade or personalized or other things like that. What we will leverage in this case is the designers that we find on Fiverr, for example, or the creators of, let's say, homemade earrings, and we will practically sell them on Etsy for a higher price, because on Etsy, one of the, let's say, hot products at this moment is anything related to homemade products, okay? So practically we can find a supplier of homemade earrings on Fiverr which sells them for only $5, and after that post them on Etsy, let's say for 25 or 30 bucks, okay? And our profit will be that margin of $20 or $25. It's the same thing for Storenvy.com. So which are the steps that you need to follow in order to start doing arbitrage on this model, okay? By following this model, well, first of all, you need to create your accounts as a buyer on Fiverr or on other platforms which are offering services similar to Fiverr, because there are other platforms like that out there. You can search for them on Google, but Fiverr is the biggest one and the most trustable in my opinion. Now, after you do that, you go and create a seller account on Etsy.com and Storenvy.com. It depends on which one of them you want to sell your products, but if it would be for me, I would start with Etsy.com, and I will show you in a couple of seconds how you can actually do that. After that, you need to know that you will sell mostly handmade and personalized products, because this is the niche for Etsy.com, like handmade earrings, the example that I just gave you before, and personalized mugs. Identify your purpose here, okay, from the beginning. In order to profit from this is to identify top selling products on Etsy.com and Storenvy.com and find a good supplier for them at a cheaper price on Fiverr.com. Now let me show you an example of how we can do that right away, okay? Just wait with me a couple of seconds so we can go to our browser, okay? So right now we are on Fiverr.com, as you can see here in my browser, and here we are on Etsy.com, which is the platform where you will sell your services. So if we go to Fiverr.com and, for example, we look for personalized mug, okay, we are searching for that, we will find some things here, okay? I will make personalized monogrammed mugs. I will make you a personalized mug, for example, okay? So this is an example. Now let's see how much this costs. Okay, ordering process, custom mug specs, okay. So add your item, file types, okay. Okay, so here is a gig for personalized mugs. Now what we will do right now, this is only $5, guys, okay? So I will make your personalized mug for only $5. You go to Etsy.com, search for personalized mugs, press search, and here we go. So if we take a look here, the cheapest one is $14. So even if you go for the cheapest price, you will still make around $8 profit, which is more than 200 Okay, then we have other products: $49, $18, $14, $27. These are two. $8 again, but this one is very simple. Even for this one you make a profit. Okay, you make $3, $16, but each of these products sell, guys. That's what's important. So this is one of the examples. Now what you can also do, for example, we talked about homemade earrings. Let's see if we find them here. I don't think I've written well. Okay, I don't find the homemade earrings. Let's see if I find them like this. Yeah, so I will make you a cute ear cuff. Okay, so I will make you a pair of cute angel earrings. So here we have examples of different types of earrings. I will make wire wrapped earrings, gem crystals. I will make you elegant copper wire wrap earrings. These one are actually pretty cool. Okay, and let's see, elegant copper wire wrap earrings. We take this key phrase, we paste it into etsy.com, and let's see for how much are these selling. So here you can see that it creates them for, this seller creates them and sells them for only $5, and here we have them at $45, $15, the cheapest, the simplest model of them all. But all of those that also have semi-precious stones or other things like that are going well past over $25, as you can see. Okay, so here you can make a return on investment of over 400, even 500%, which is actually pretty cool. So you buy something for $5 and you sell it for $35, you make a $40 profit like that. Even if you sell 2 or 3 pairs like this per day, it's actually a great business and lucrative business model, guys. So this is how it's done. After you find here your seller, you negotiate with this seller. Okay, you talk to this seller, ask him all the conditions, all you need to know about the products. How does the shipment it's made? Okay, how does if it takes any money? Okay, how much money is the shipment? In what countries does the seller ship, and so on. And after you have everything figured out, you can go on etsy.com. You go to sell on Etsy, create your account, and after that create your listing with the earrings or the mugs or whatever you want to sell here. Okay guys, thank you very much for your attention. I hope this was helpful for you, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye till then. Sorry